Hello everyone, it's good to be back after so long time. So in today's video, I will show you an application which allows us to start dark mode based on our location, time and so on. So let's start the video. First, open up your browser and navigate to the link given in the description box. Scroll down and click on the Releases tab. Once the page loads up, scroll down until you see Auto Dark Mode X _ version.exe. Your version may be different than mine if you are watching this video in the future. So download the latest version. Let the download finish. Okay, now click on the installer to install the program. So here you have to select install for all users. Now click OK to select the language. Click next. Let the program install. So now I will minimize my browser window. Okay, so now click on the finish button to open the program. Let the program configure itself. Okay, so now let me maximize this window. So they have given us 4 options. The first one is where we have to specify our own time in hour, minute or AM and PM from which the light mode and the dark mode will get activated. The second option is based on our location. It will get the sunrise and sunset time and activate the dark mode. The third option, in which you have to provide the latitude and longitude data to the software, from which it will switch between light and dark mode. So what Windows Night Light feature is it is healthy for our eyes because it reduces the blue light that is emitted from the display. Okay, so I will set it to the second option only. So there are also many switch modes which you can use, and also you can use the hotkeys to toggle between light and dark mode. You can also change the app preferences from here. You can use the accent color for taskbar and all. There are also personalization options from which you can change your wallpaper, accent color or mouse cursors. You can also implement your own custom scripts. You can also modify various parameters in the settings, such as changing the clock from 12 to 24 hours. You can also change the language from here. You can also toggle this Start Auto Dark Mode with Windows feature if it is not enabled by default. This will ensure that when the Windows restarts, your settings will remain the same. So that's pretty much it from my side. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can leave it down in the comment section below. I will see you in the future video. Until then, keep innovating.